Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make colored subtitles in Veed.io. Alright, let's begin. First, go to Veed.io and open one of your projects. Once inside your project, select the Subtitles tab. Choose your spoken language, then click on Auto Subtitle to generate subtitles for your video. Wait a few seconds while it processes. After the subtitles are generated, you'll see various subtitle styles. You can choose a colored subtitle template by clicking on any of the available options. For example, click on one that changes color with each spoken word to make your video more dynamic. If you want to manually change the color of specific subtitle text, just select the subtitle box, right-click on it, and look for the text color option. Click on it, and then pick any color you like. For instance, if you choose green, the selected subtitle text will now appear in green. This feature allows you to customize individual lines of text for better visibility or emphasis during your video. Play around with different colors to match your branding or style. So that's basically how you can make colored subtitles in Veed.io. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.